There are few things you must do after setting up your OBS Studio. And this video, I'm going to walk you through on what those things are. First, let me launch my OBS Studio. So once it opens, the first thing is to get to this section where you have mic/ers. All right? Click on these three dots here. Once you click on the three dots, select filters. On selecting filters, you will be on the interface that looks like this. Click on this plus sign here. When you click on this plus sign, select compressor. Now click on OK. Alright, look at this output gain. Increase it, alright, maybe to 15.5. Okay, because this is what we control the audio of the video. If you don't increase this to maybe 15 points or more, when you are recording, your audio will be very slow, will be very small. All right, you barely hear yourself after recording and you play the video. So this controls the volume output, all right, and volume input. Okay, so please don't make that mistake. This should be the first thing you must set up. Once you're done with that, click on close. So once you do this, when you're recording, your voice will be clear enough to your audience. All right. Then number two, click on settings. When you click on settings, get to output. All right. Once you're this output page, get down to this recording format. Click here and select this MPEG for .mp4, all right, .mp4, this one. By default, it's usually in this format, but please select this so that people can play your video on different devices, all right, because mp4 is the most popular. Okay, so once you do that, click on apply and click on OK. Then let's go back to settings again. So click on settings again, then click on video. When you click on video, if you have different information here, please change it to 920 by 1080. All right, 1920 by 1080, and do the same here, 1920 by 1080. That should be what you will select. And aspect ratio of 16.9, though this one is added automatically once you select this. All right, then get back to this section where you have common fps values. All right, click here and select this 60. Once you're done with that, click on apply and click on OK, and you're good. Once you do this setup, these settings, when you are recording, you will have a good experience. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on information technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.